Remember, if there were only 500 Sahaba alayhim ridwan alive today, only 500, and they were in Al-Madinah Al-Munawwarah, and what is happening in Gaza was happening, what do you think they would be doing? Would they be limiting themselves to qunut? Would they be limiting themselves to speeches like we are? The answer is, it was a different generation. It was a generation raised and nurtured by the best of creation, sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Now is the time to take Palestine. This opportunity that the Muslims have, they will be questioned regarding this opportunity. All the Muslims, that we have the opportunity to take back Palestine. By Allah, if we had the resolve to take Palestine, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will grant us Palestine in a week. If we Muslims had the heart to take Palestine, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will give us all of Palestine in 1 week. Forget the UN mandate of 1948 of giving the Jews 55% of Palestine. We will take it all, from the borders of Syria all the way to the Mediterranean, in 1 week if we had the heart. But why do we not have the heart? Because Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, حُبُّ الدُّنْيَا وَكَرَاهِيَةُ الْمَوْتِ. Love of the dunya and dislike of death. Love of dunya has entered our hearts, and dislike of death has entered our hearts, that we fear a nation that is the most cowardly of nations, the most cowardly of people.